All right, this video is for students learning how to use EdPuzzle. So the first thing that you're going to do is go on to EdPuzzle. This is a great website that you'll be able to see your teacher's videos on. You'll be able to see um, different quiz questions. It'll help you understand and learn at your own pace. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to hit login, or if you haven't yet, sign up. You're going to sign up as a student, and you will probably have Google Classroom, so you can go ahead and sign up with Google, and then it should redirect you to your Google class page, and then it will automatically let you go on. I'm older, so I have my own Gmail account. Your teacher's going to supply a code, and for this class, for fourth grade math, it's going to be BACCIDU. Once you've done that, you're just going to hit create your account. Fourth grade math by Miss Hart G, join. And you'll see your due assignments right here. You'll see any ones that don't have a due date, and you'll see your completed. So right now there's only one due assignment. And so you can go ahead and click on it. Then you watch the assignment. And if you try to drag it, you can see that you can't drag it because there's this lock. So you can't unlock that. But once you get to these quiz questions, you'll be asked to respond to them. So you respond, and if you need to, you can rewatch parts of the video. So go ahead and do that if you need to. Once you're done, it'll get rid of this little thing right here, the thing that says 1. And sometimes your teacher might assign you a project. So if she assigns you a project, it would look something like this. Here's the project. It's called turtle head multiplication. Go ahead and click on it. And when you do, you'll see all your instructions, the goal, your due date. So then you can hit start project. And then it'll have you look on YouTube for a video that will help you. And if on your project it says create a video, go ahead and create that video, but then upload it to a private YouTube account. So that's the basics of EdPuzzle. Have fun.